There are two methods you can get Claude Code for free right now. Don't miss out on this chance, get it right away. First, go to Amazon AWS and create a free account. Let me enter my email and account name. Then we need to verify the email address. After that, let me set up a password for the AWS account. Now you can see we have two options here. We need to select the free plan. With this free plan, we get $200 in credits. We can use those credits to use Claude Code. Let me finish this setup process. Then I'll show you how to use that $200 with Claude Code. We need to add a credit card here, but don't worry. AWS will not charge your card unless you upgrade to a paid plan. This is only for verification. They may hold $1 for 3 to 5 days, and then they will refund it to your card. I have already created an AWS account with my credit card, so let me open that account. After creating your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard. As you can see, I already received $120 here. We can complete a few small tasks to get the remaining credits and reach the full $200. After receiving the $200 free credits, search for Amazon Bedrock in the search bar. Now you can see the model catalog. There are many models available here, not just Anthropic models, but if I select the Anthropic models, you can see that Claude Opus 4.7 is available. Next, go to API keys and create a new API key. If you create a short-term key, it will only work for 12 hours. So let me create one now. After creating the key, copy your API key. Now we need to open Claude Code. If you have not installed Claude Code yet, just search Claude Code install on Google. You can find the installation command on the official website. Copy the installation command and paste it into your terminal. Give it a few minutes to install. After the installation is complete, type Claude and press enter to open Claude Code. But before that, if you just installed OpenClaw, you need to copy the command shown at the end of the installation log and paste it into your terminal first. After running that command, type Claude again to launch Claude Code. Now you can select your preferred theme for the Claude Code terminal. I use dark mode. Next, select the login method as a third-party platform. Here you can see Amazon Bedrock is available. I will show you the second method later, but for now let's continue with Amazon Bedrock. Select Bedrock API key, then paste your API key and select your region. After that, you are ready to go. You can see the default models are already selected. If you want, you can change the model using the third option here. Now let's type something. As you can see, Claude Code is working perfectly. Now let's move to the second method. For this method, go to Google Cloud and click Get Started for free. The setup process is very simple. On the right side of the screen, you can see the free trial offer. Google gives us $300 in free credits, and we can use those credits with Claude Code. After filling in the required details, you will be redirected to the Google Cloud console. Here you can see a default project is already created. If you don't have one, you can create a new project. Next, search for Vertex AI. You can create your API key from here. But before enabling the API key, you need to add a credit card for verification. Don't worry, Google will not charge you unless you upgrade to a paid plan. Even if you use all the free credits, they will not charge you automatically. You only need to add a credit card and create a billing account to enable the API key. After that, you can use Claude 4.7, so now you know how to get up to $500 in free credits to use Claude Code. If you want to learn how to get from $1,000 up to $25,000 using the AWS Founders Package and the Anthropic Startup Program, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll make another video about that soon. See you in the next video.